here, I want to tell you about my DEWALT Random Orbit Sander. This is a fantastic little tool. You can sand anything you want with it. You can change the pads on it. It's just a Velcro connection. Peel it off and you stick it back on. Try to make sure your holes get lined up with the holes on the sander itself, but it's Velcro, sticks on, you're good to go. This sander has a dust collection bag. I still wear a face mask to make sure I don't inhale any of the dust. But again, the DEWALT Random Orbit Sander, you can take off a lot of material with it. Again, it's very easily operated. Turn on the button here at the top and it goes. No adjustments necessary. The only adjustment you have to make is what kind of sandpaper you're going to use on it. And you can also change this pad that's underneath, this Velcro pad. You can change this by undoing these screws and just get a new replacement for it. But again, it comes in this handy tool bag. It's got the instructions with it. I don't have my instructions with it, but it comes with instructions as well. But again, the DEWALT Random Orbit Sander is a fantastic product by DEWALT. I hope you guys enjoy yours as much as I enjoy mine. Have a great rest of your day.